Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where a Microsoft Bluetooth driver is not working, then please watch this video, and this is a little different from what others are suggesting. So search for device manager and open the device manager. Expand the Bluetooth drivers. Right click on the MediaTek Bluetooth one and select uninstall device Once it is gone, don't reinstall it. Open your browser and search for the name of your brand of your computer, like mine is an Asus computer, and then the word drivers, and go to the website or the drivers website of your brand. Like if you have a Dell computer, go to Dell's website. If you have an HP computer, go to HP's website. I have an Asus computer, so I'll go to Asus website, and then search for the model number of your system. Mine is 50 FA507RE. Search for it, click on drivers and tools, scroll down to the MediaTek Bluetooth driver, click on download and then click on open. Wait for a few seconds till it loads. Now click on OK, next, accept the agreement, next, install, and then let it install it on your system. This time it will work because this time we have installed the latest Bluetooth drivers on the system. But yes, we will have to restart the computer as well. I will restart it later, but you can choose according to your requirements. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. And if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.